So now you won't do anything to get it top. Okay. Have a good time.
Alrighty guys, we're on the goats on the roof coaster. It's raining and it's cold. This is ride 2, and yeah, oops. Yeah, I just broke that off my jacket, so I'll just tuck it in. This is probably the fastest one I've done. Actually, probably easily the fastest one I've done. You'll probably hear me complain about the rain because it hurt the first time, and it's gonna hurt this time too. So I apologize. If it starts coming down hard, I'm gonna be mad because I'm gonna be soaked. So yeah, time code is now at the bottom of the screen of when we reach the top. I do like the headlight. That's pretty cool. The other ones didn't have them on. Oh, sweet. I got a lot of space. One thing I've noticed is the lift hills don't feel as slow as they do in the POVs. Maybe just because I'm on it. But, yeah. This is probably... I don't know where I put them. I'll probably make an Instagram post of, or probably did make an Instagram post of my rankings because I honestly have no idea. Maybe some time to think about it. Because I have to remember to include the one I rode in Haiti. And then the 5 I rode this week. I don't remember how many I've done. But this is the last one that I'm gonna do. Somebody decided to go slow. Really hope they get off the track by the time I get down there. Otherwise, I will be very disappointed. I do think the lights are pretty cool. What I do like about these, and I didn't get to experience it, is they run in the snow, so that's pretty cool. I should get a little bit of full speed time if I end up catching everybody. That person made a backup. And I really hope these people aren't using their brakes. They don't. Oh yeah. They don't sound like they're going to be using their brakes. I'm certainly not unless I have to.
Here we go. Press the handle forward and have fun.
Alright, this one's a lot slower because of auto brake this time. Oh, it's auto braking. That's not fun at all. I'm not catching anybody, let me go fast. Arrgh! Oh, then you're back. That was goats on the roof.